How to use Ucard at Sam's Club. First, you have to check what your Ucard actually covers. Look at your Ucard benefits to see what you can buy with it, groceries or over-the-counter items. Make sure Sam's Club accepts your Ucard. You can call up Sam's Club or ask at the store to confirm that they accept Ucard for what you want to buy, especially if it's a SNAP or health related. You will then shop for eligible items. You will grab your items or the items that your Ucard covers, like food, household products, or health items, depending on your card's benefits, and you will just pay at checkout. You want to tell the cashier that you're using your Ucard, and then you will have to swipe your Ucard at checkout, and if needed, enter your PIN. Online shopping, Sam's Club doesn't accept Ucard SNAP payments for online orders, so use your Ucard in store. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.